Hello and welcome to another tutorial on utilizing the INKAS Cockpit for the purpose of maintaining product configurators. Today we are presenting an application for operating the INKAS Cockpit, the version selector. To begin, we gain access to the cockpit by utilizing the Create Configurator button or by selecting the corresponding tile located in the application section of the interface. You can access the version selector again via both the tiles and the menu navigation. Now we are in the version selector. Here are all the configurators stored. When selecting the configurators, the respective versions appear. As an example, we select the e-bike configurator in its version 6.0.0 snapshot. From this point forward, all applications will be opened and can be edited using the chosen configurator in the specified version. As you can see, version 6.0.0 snapshot is also open in RuleDesigner, in the layouter as well as in the packager. Both of these components play a crucial role in the overall process of creating and packaging the final product. That was the tutorial for the version selector of the INKAS product suite. Thank you for watching and have fun configuring.